Darshan Driving School. Are you looking for driving lessons in Melbourne, in and around Oakleigh suburb, to learn to drive safely? If so, you have come to the right place then. We make your learning comfortable here. We're your local driving school in Oakleigh. We have best instructors with difference for your specific needs. We can set up the right time for your experiences. We have driving lessons on both automatic and manual cars. There is an assessment for each lesson, so it becomes a record of your training session. Our driving instructors make everything possible. Driving school with a reasonable price. Contact us now, 0431 336 996. For further discussion. Darshan Driving School. Learn to drive safely and pass guaranteed for your practical driving test to get your driver's license test.